Here's the setup, starting fluid just to get the thing kicked off. And then I got a little bottle with gasoline and I've poked a hole in the top. Here's the setup, starting fluid just to get the thing kicked off. And then I got a little bottle with gasoline and I've poked a hole in the top. I just did this with a multimeter lead end. It's a real tiny hole. Basically, I've already tipped it upside down to make sure it doesn't spray everywhere because you don't want to be dumping stuff all over the intake and manifold and catching any sparks. You want it to basically go right down the carb, and you'll open that up with a screwdriver or have somebody inside the car kind of open it up with the gas pedal. And here's the send line. It's going into a clear jug over here. I've got it kind of wedged in some hoses so I don't have to hold it, but we're just waiting until we see the fuel come out of the send line cleaned up and no longer covered in a bunch of rust and dirt and debris. So that's what we're gonna do right now. We'll put you on the tripod and then we'll do it. You can go.
Ready?
Yeah.
You want me on the gas pedal, right?
Not really. Twist the wheel a bit while you turn the key. Can you not figure out the ignition?
No, I can't. Like, what? Twist the wheel.
Just... I was crawling out of the car when you did that. But I think the gas is fine. It came through clean enough. So we're just gonna fire it up with the fuel filter and then go.
You were crawling out of the car when I did that, which is
Yeah, I mean, I was getting out of the car because you said you couldn't figure it out. All right, so I assume they're still singing. Let's, so here's the gas so far. Looks a little rusty, a little bit old. Now it is mixed with the newer, the rusted out crap in there. So what I'll probably end up doing is dump this out. We're gonna do it one more time with a clean bottle, and then we'll see what that looks like before we consider it good to go. Perfect. God, that wasted a ton of gas. Huh. But I deem that clean enough. So you can see the gas is getting cleaner each time we do it, but it's still a dirty bottle. I can tell the stuff coming out of the send line is pretty much clean. So I'm gonna hook up my new filter and then we're gonna go ahead and take it for a spin.